Hello all, my name is Shan Singh and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the third tutorial of the statistics playlist where we will learn what are the various types of data in statistics. See, when you start working with data sets, right, to do any data analysis or to do any machine learning or a deep learning based work or to do any statistical analysis, you should know the various types of data so that you can actually think of which machine learning or a deep learning algorithms I can use or which plots I can think of leveraging that. So let's learn the various types of data in statistics. Let's go ahead. Now let's talk about what are the various types of data in statistics. So there are two types. The very first is a categorical data. In the second is a numerical data, right? So categorical data is often known as qualitative data. See, qualitative basically means that it have some kind of quality or characteristics, right? Whereas on the other hand, numerical data is that data which have which is also known as a quantitative. It means it have some quality, right? Or it tells about numbers, right? Or you can say it actually tells about quantity. So see, the categorical data is often categorized into two categories. The very first is a ordinal data, right? And the second is a nominal data. So coming to the nominal data, it is that type of data which doesn't have any kind of order, right? Let's say gender of a person, right? Because gender, it could be either male, it could be either female. Okay, let's consider a couple of more examples. Let's say marital status of a woman, right? Because she could be, let's say, single, or she could be married, right? She could be divorced. Okay, let's say she could be widowed. So here you will notice that you do not have any order. But when it comes to ordinal data, it is that type of data which usually have some order. Let's say a clothing size offered by any brand, right? You will notice that it has some order. Let's say a small size, a medium size, right? A cloth can be large, it can be extra large, or it can be a extra large size. So here you will notice that we have some order or we have some hierarchy. Okay, let's talk about the numerical data. So it is basically categorized into two categories. The very first is a discrete one. In the second is a continuous data, right? So very first, let's talk about what is a discrete data. So discrete data is that data which is actually countable in numbers. It means it have usually whole number type of values. Let's say, okay, let's consider a couple of examples. Let's say number of stop a flight can have, right? Because either a flight could be non-stop, I can say it has 0 stop, it can have a 1 stop, a 2 stop, or a 3 stop. Similarly, let's say number of bank accounts, right? Number of bank accounts you may have, right? So this is also discrete data. So coming to the continuous data, it is that data which have actually real values or a continuous types of values. Okay, so let's consider a couple of examples. Let's say flight ticket prices that you have paid at the time of booking, right? Because a ticket price could be, let's say, 1400 Indian currency or 1400.6 Indian currency, right? It could be some continuous value, right? So you will notice that these are actually my continuous value. Similarly, let's say height of a student, right? Because the height of a student, it could be some decimal or a continuous value. Let's say 161.2 centimeter or some other decimal value, right? So these are actually my continuous data. So that's all about the type of the data in the statistics. For those of you, if you guys have any doubt, please share with us in the comment section. I will love to answer that. So that's all about it. Take care. Bye bye and God bless you.